So we are here, it's I think 12:30, and we managed like half of the material from the roof. 2 persons, and we cut it as well, the tree here. It was growing to us, and it took us maybe 3.5 hours to make this alone. Diese scheiß Trottelknote?
Ja, es ist ein Kleinknoten.
Nein.
Ja.
Hello, today is the day number 2 of building our roof. This is what we managed yesterday. So today is the plan to take off the wood, and tomorrow we try to putting up the new one. So this is our plan for today. So you will see the next video without the wood. Ryczka. Ryczka. This is my dog. This is our toilet.
So we managed what we wanted to do today. We wanted to take the small wood down, even if it is healthy, because we have to change the main wood. So if you look, we took nearly every of them down. Just few were left that we can use it like a like a stair, and like security if we're climbing up and down here. So our next job will be to change the main wood step by step.
Good morning. There is the day number 3, and this is what we managed yesterday to take off the wood that is holding the roof. And yeah, 2 people, 2 days. We take off the roof like that. Today is the plan to take off this big old wood because it's broken, and everything what is here in front we have to change because it's broken. Interesting, because there is just standing the wood on the broken stones, and this I have to make flat properly with beton. Something more stable than now.
Decided to keep some of the wood, and some of the wood we are going to take away, so we have to fix it, the wood which stays, that it will be not falling down.
This was a piece of wood, in Czech is called pozednice, but it's still holding, it's still fine. Even was looked like very sketchy, but it's still holding. And this is Vera, she is destroying our house.